Hello everyone, we're going to take a look at Windows 10 Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge, previously known as Spartan Project, is a replacement for Internet Explorer. And if you're one of the many users out there who hate Internet Explorer, then this will be a huge upgrade for your Microsoft web browsing experience. So here is the little icon for Microsoft Edge. It looks a little bit like the Explorer icon, except the E has a cut in it. The browser itself really doesn't feel like a browser, like a normal browser. It really integrates with your background and your window. Um, it looks like you're running a program, and it's very simple and neat. I like that. It really fades into the background. So here are the settings. You have new window, new in private window. So if you click that, it'll show you browsing in private. And then we have zoom in, zoom out, settings. Okay, so in settings, we can show the favorites bar. Here's the favorites bar. And then we can open with the start page or a new tab page, previous pages, specific page or pages. Open new tabs with top site, and suggested content, blank page. You can clear your browsing data, reading. So there's also reading mode on Windows Edge, and it's not something that's new. It's been around for a while, but they've integrated reading mode straight into the browser Windows Edge. So reading mode, you can default, and we can select the type of background we want. So it's the lighting setting. We can do light, medium, or dark. So if I prefer dark. It's easy on the eyes. And then the reading view font size, small, medium, large, or extra large. If you're blind like me, maybe you want to go with large. And then we have in advanced settings, we have block pop-ups, use Adobe Flash Player, use correct browsing. So correct browsing allows you to select text using the keyboard. So I'm going to turn that on. And then we have privacy services, offer to save passwords, same form entries, send do not track requests, have Cortana assist me in Microsoft Edge. So Cortana is built into Microsoft Edge, and she will give you suggestions or provide results for you. And search in the address bar with Bing, or you can add new, show search suggestions as I type. And then we have our cookies options and everything else at the bottom. Okay. Something I'd like to mention is that none of these articles are popping out, and I love that because it's not annoying, it's not irritating, and they blend in well with the browser. So if I wanted to, I could just search through and click on any article, and it doesn't look so clustered. And if you ever been on Yahoo News, and you know what I'm talking about, this is kind of a merge or a middle ground between The Verge and Apple's News app. Or that's what it seems like to me. So one of the features that they've integrated well into Microsoft Edge is the reading mode. So this little book here is a reading view. So if you click that, the reason why it's dark is because I did choose dark in the settings. So if you go to settings, you have dark. For this is the reading view. Medium is a little bit lighter on your eyes, but if you choose light, it's too bright for me. So light is white. Default is kind of more neutral. Actually, I like default better than dark, so I'm going to keep it dark. Then you can choose the font size, so small, medium, large, extra large. I'll keep it as large. So what reading view does is it gets rid of the top and the side. So all you have are images and the text. So it's kind of like being on a ebook reader, which is pretty good because sometimes I don't want to be distracted by anything else on the page. So if you go back, you can see everything else that'll distract you. And I've noticed that when there are other things running on the page, it'll really be a burden on your computer, depending on what kind of computer you have. But if you go to reading view, it's a little bit easier, and I can scroll up and down more smoothly, and it loads faster too. So you can save articles that you like by clicking on the favorites icon, or you can save pages or wherever you're at. You just click on the star here, And you can save this like a bookmark as favorites in your in favorites, or you can create a new folder. And if you've noticed that it's not called a bookmark anymore, it's called the favorites bar. And you also have the reading list. In the reading list, you can save all the articles or whatnot. So if you just click add, then you click on the three little bars here, and you have access to your favorites bar and your reading list. So if you just click here, it'll take you to the article that you want to read. Now if let's see what happens if I go to reading view, and then I'm gonna if you want to remove something, you just right click and remove. But I want to save this in this view, and I want to see if it opens up in this view. Oh, let me exit out. Okay. Okay, now I'll go into my reading list, and it does. So if you save this in reading view, it'll open up in reading view. If you don't save it in reading view, it'll open up in the regular view. So that's a pretty cool option that they have. So another feature that Microsoft has come out with is make a web note. So on your Microsoft Edge, you can make annotations. If you see up here on the top right, there's an icon that shows a pen or a pencil and paper, and it'll say make a web note. So we'll just click on this, and you can see there's a difference. This looks like an image that it's taken of the page that you're looking at, or like a screenshot. It's kind of blurry. It looks like a blurry picture. On the left here, we have all our options. Here's pan, so you can pan the page. Here's a pen, you can write on the page, and you can choose a different color too. The icon is right here, the arrow at the bottom right. You can highlight, and you can also change the color of the highlighter too. You can also erase, and the best part is you can make, you have a text box option, so you can make comments. So if you want to screenshot this or send it to somebody, you can write notes on this page or whatever you're saving. And you can also crop this. So you can copy whatever you like. Just take the window and drag it wherever you like, and it'll say copied. Now once you're copied, you can open up Paint and Control V. So you can paste whatever you copied. Then you can also save this, so save web note, and you can save it to OneNote, favorites, or reading list. And you can also share it. In share, you can send it to mail or OneNote. You have the option to share the web note or a screenshot. So it's a pretty good feature. If Microsoft comes out with features like this, it'll definitely be an improvement to Internet Explorer. I know a lot of people didn't like Internet Explorer, but it looks like Microsoft Edge is a big step up from Internet Explorer. If you open up a new tab, it'll give you all these suggestions. So top sites and customization. So if you click customize, you can show top sites and my newsfeed top sites or blank page, and you can have your favorite topics and choose any topic that you want. So like news and sports and autos and entertainment. You can click save, and it'll populate the page with just the topics that you've chosen. So Cortana is also integrated into Microsoft Edge. If you're searching for something like a restaurant or directions, she can offer you suggestions. You can also highlight something, and you can ask Cortana, and she'll get the answers for you. So persist and what it means. And you can pin it to have her show it right away. One of the things I'm waiting for is extensions. I know Microsoft said that they would be coming out with extensions sometime in October. Right now, I would use Chrome just because of the extensions. But Microsoft Edge is actually looking to be a very powerful and integrated and a very fluid web browser. Unlike Internet Explorer, it doesn't get in the way. It's very user friendly. And so far, it's been a really good experience. thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe for the channel and like the video, and look forward to other videos and tutorials from me. Thanks guys.